Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn preposition of 11th standard. It is in page number 45 of your textbook. Here it is defined that a preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. So, prepositions are usually short words and they are placed before the nouns. So, they are short words. That means in, on, at, under, upon. These are all the words that we use as an example for preposition. Okay, so now we will see this triangle in, on, at. It's a very frequently used word in a sentence. So here in this triangle, see, in is generally used and we use for bigger place, and on is more specific and smaller than the in, and at is very specific and the smallest. So for example, see here, in we use for time, that is centuries, decades, years, months, weeks. In we use for location like country, England, London, neighborhood like Chinatown or Trichy we can use here. We are the neighborhood of Trichy, and specific is Petavaitale. So here specific like month, days, that today is 17th September, I have my birthday, like that. Example, Friday is her birthday, my friend's birthday, like that. The Oxford, it is on the Oxford Street. Her house is on the Oxford Street. Like that we can write. At the same time, at, I will be available at 7 o'clock, you can write. Or he is living at 734, door number 734, Oxford Street. That is very specific and the smallest. Let us see some more examples like for preposition. Look at the following sentences, like in page number 45, this one is, the English language is vital in the English language is vital in the medical field. In, here in is a preposition showing that the English language is very important, which field? In the medical field. Second example, see students, he climbed up the stairs. He climbing means what? You are going up on the tree, up the tree or up the stairs. So up is a preposition here showing the noun in front of the noun, that is the stairs. Stairs enadhu padikattu. So he climbed up the stairs to get into the terrace. Terrace means a space. So within the space one person is going, so into the terrace. Okay, terrace na ஒரு மாடி, அதுக்கு தான் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். Open place, it has a, that is known as terrace. Here note that the words in bold letters in the above sentence link the two parts of the sentence. These words are called prepositions. He climbed ஒரு part, where he climbed up the stairs. Second part, stairs climb by எங்கே போகிறாங்க? He to get into the terrace. Third part. So the preposition joins, and what is the position of the noun or pronoun is explained here. Okay. So some more examples of prepositions and prepositional phrases: on, off, up, in, out, above, below, over, under, to, from, with, without, before, after, at, during, according to, ahead of, apart from, as far as, in spite of, owing to, in addition to, in case of, in front of, but for, on account of, on behalf of, with reference to all, etc. etc. Okay, so sometimes a sentence can end with a preposition like the following. This seat is not very comfortable to sit on. This seat is not very comfortable to sit. We are going to sit on the chair or on the bench like that. So sit on. My father gave me some pictures to look at. So it is specific. You are going to look at the picture. Okay. Was it worth waiting for? Was it worth waiting for? Wait பண்ணுறது worthable அப்படின்னு கேட்குறோம். ஓகேங்களா? For. The preposition in, at and for occur at the end of the sentence. This is acceptable in usage. Usageல இதை accept பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. Now let us fill in the blanks in the following sentences with appropriate preposition. In case of difficulty, you should refer to a dictionary and then respond to the question. So see children, we are using the preposition of, to. These are both to or the prepositions. Next one, the clothes that he has put on, that means wearing. Put on na phrasal preposition கூட phrases சொல்லுவாங்க. Put on அப்படிங்கிறது wearing. Put on or very impressive. He is going where he is going to his hometown to pay homage. Homage is respect to the village head. To the village. எங்கே போகிறாங்க, யாருக்கு போகிறாங்க, ஹோம் டவுன் போகிறாங்கன்னா ஓன் வில்லேஜ்க்கு போகிறாங்க. எதுக்கு? வில்லேஜ் ஹெட்டுக்கு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் கொடுக்க போகிறாங்க. ஓகேங்களா? தேர்ட் ஒன் பாருங்கள். The nearest hospital to this place is at a distance of 20 kilometers. You can reach it either by car or by a bicycle. So whenever we use transportation, we use the word by. The preposition we use by. Okay, I came to school by van or I reached school by bus. Like that, the nearest hospital to this, you are referring to a place, that is hospital. So to this place. இந்த இடத்துக்கு நியரஸ்டான ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் எங்கே இருக்குது? அட் a distance. At means specific, very close. Okay, so at a distance of 20 kilometers. Let us see the B1. Complete the following paragraph by filling in the blanks with suitable prepositions and read the paragraph aloud for better understanding of the use of prepositions. I am reading for you, students. Please listen. Mr. Beek of New Jersey has invented a floating life preserver. Life preserver na என்னது? நம்மளுடைய உயிர் காக்கும் கருவி. அதை மிஸ்டர் பீக்குங்கிறவர் ஒரு நியூ ஜெர்சின்னா என்னது, நம்ம அதை வியர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அது தண்ணியில் போகும்போது அது நம்மளை எப்படி பாதுகாக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறதா இங்கே மீனிங். ஜெர்சினாலே ஓவர் கோட் அப்படின்ற மீனிங். விச் கிவ்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் ஃபார் பீப்புள் who have been shipwrecked. அதாவது கப்பல் மூழ்கி போயிடுச்சுன்னா அதில் நீச்சல் தெரியாதவங்க இல்லை மற்ற பயணிகள் எப்படி காப்பாற்றப்படுவார்கள் அப்படிங்கிற மீனிங். ஸோ ஃபார் பீப்புள், டு whom, ஃபார் பீப்புள். The upper section, here the jersey is being described. The upper section is large enough for the wearer, the person who wears, that is for the wearer to be able to move his head and arms out. And a month's supply means provision of food and drinking water can also be stored in it. So this jersey has been invented by Mr. Beek, which gives complete protection for people who have been shipwrecked in the கப்பல் மூழ்கும் போது. ஓகேங்களா? those who suffer when any accident happens while they travel in ship. Okay, so the upper section of this jersey is large enough for the wearer, those who wears it. The upper section is very convenient that they can move their head and arms out, and there is a provision of food and drinking water that can be stored in the jersey. Okay, in it. That means the cover can be closed in rough weather. When it is a storming time, that time when the ship gets wrecked, then the cover can also be closed. Like that it is mentioned here. And the wearer can see through the window in the front and breathe through a curved pipe. So when you get into the water, breathing is a problem. So there is a curved pipe. So through that curved pipe, one can breathe. So through is a preposition here. The life preserver, that is the jersey, is made of waterproof cloth. Is made of, you should not write made up of, made of waterproof cloth attached to circular metal tubes which protect the wearer from sharp rocks and hungry fish. So when you are falling into the fish, into the sea, there may be a problem that you may get hit with a rock, or you may be attacked with attacked by fish. So from it protects the wearer from where, from whom, from the sharp rocks. Sharp rocks na kadumiyana paarigal and hungry fish. Fish வந்து சீலெல்லாம் என்ன இருக்கும், there may be big sharks which kill human beings when they don't have any protection. So that is what is the from is a preposition mentioned here. From is a meaning that comes here. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with using prepositions if necessary. C, section C miss இது பண்ணுறேன். The new machines are quite different from the old ones. அதாவது எதோட கம்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க, நியூ மிஷினையும் ஓல்டு மிஷினையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ ஃப்ரம்ங்கிற ப்ரிப்போசிஷன் we are using here. They are able to work at a much faster, substantially reduced risk to the environment. So this machine வந்து நியூ மிஷின் எப்படி இருக்குது, at a much faster pace. Pace speed. So this machine works at a much faster pace, substantially reducing the risk to the environment. So it is environment friendly அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறாங்க. அடுத்தது பாருங்கள், செகண்ட் ஒன், the students discussed the problem among them. That is between ரெண்டு பேருக்கு இடையில, it is more than twoங்கிறப்ப amongங்கிற preposition வரும். So the students discuss the problem among themselves. That means more than two persons. However, they did not arrive at any conclusion. So specific, they are not able to come to a conclusion. They went to their class teacher and discussed with her. யார் கூட டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, the students are discussing with their teacher. withங்கிற preposition. She gave a solution for it and they were happy. For is a preposition used here. Thank you for watching this video, students. Thank you.